My name's Diane and I'm a colonic therapist and my business is Colonics Northwest. Okay, I practice out of Sushield Spa in Carnforth and also in the Ulverston Natural Health Centre in Ulverston. In the Sushield Spa in Carnforth, I can be there Monday to Saturday. They're closed on Sunday, and I'm in Ulverston 1 day a week on a Thursday. The best way to book an appointment is contact me directly. I've got access to my diaries and just a quick telephone call or a text, and we can get you booked into a time that can suit you. Sushields, I can practice 9 till 8 o'clock and Ulverston 10 till 6. Colonic irrigation is a method to remove toxins, excess waste and gas out of your digestive system. Treatment is about 30 to 45 minutes, but you do need to allow about an hour and a half for the whole session because we have a consultation to start off with, so I learn a little bit about yourself and your medical background and also the reason why you want the treatment. And then we do, let's say, the 30 to 45 minute treatment with the water and the stomach massage. And then I'll give you plenty of time to make yourself comfortable post-treatment, and I'll give you some aftercare advice as well. During a treatment, you are laying on your side to start off with. That's where I do the insertion and make you comfortable. And then you get you to roll onto your back for the rest of the treatment. And in that time, I am gently massaging your stomach, manipulating the colon, and also working the tube on the other end to help encourage movement. I'm also filling you with water, sometimes for 30 seconds plus, to try and hydrate the bowel and also loosen and soften the excess gas and waste and get that out of you. I've been there. I still remember my first one. Totally understand why you may feel embarrassed. But as soon as you meet me, hopefully I'll put you at ease, and I do try and make it as comfortable and relaxing, and actually we do laugh quite a lot during the course of the treatment, and there is nothing to be embarrassed about. You are covered up the whole treatment. As I say, we just chat along and put the world to rights while I'm treating you. Some people can lose inches. I can actually see their stomachs going down during the course of the treatment. They can feel emptier, they can feel cleaner, fresher. Some people say that their eyes look brighter when they look in the mirror afterwards. That can be instant. Some longer term effects, better bowel movements, just feeling better, having regular bowel movements. Nothing better than having a good poo in the morning. And yeah, just feeling better, well-being about yourself. I've been practicing coming on for 16 years. I had my first colonic back in 95 and it just changed my life, and I just felt as though I've got to pass this on, pass the knowledge on, and yeah, best 16 years ever, and hope to carry on for a long time yet. So I belong to a governing body called retrained, and they make sure that our hygiene levels are up to scratch, that our clinics also meet certain requirements. And I'm insured with a company called Holistic Health, and they also advise us on do's and don'ts, who we can treat, and more importantly, who we can't treat. There are certain conditions which we are not allowed to treat. Regular clients, and they keep coming back, and it's just that they're not clients really, they're now more friends, and it is just the getting to know people and helping them and see their lives improve. And they come back to me not because they necessarily need the treatment for digestive issues anymore, but it's pure well-being, and they never want to go back to how they were when they first met me. Yes, so the herbs that I provide, they help to loosen, soften and keep things moving. Very gentle and all natural herbs. They work together so as not to cause that cramping, urgent laxative effect. to say just very calming, work with your body to get the movement going. I also supply Optibac probiotics. There is so much on the market with probiotics. I've gone with Optibac because they do clinical proven trials. They're safe just to leave on the side. You don't need to put them in the fridge, just bung them in your bag, put them wherever you're going to remember to take them. And I've just found them, they're one of the better ones and very reasonably priced as well. But with all products, it can be a case of go off and do your own thing, come back and try Optibac. So there's so much out there on the market. I've gone with the company Nutri7 because the way that they actually produce their CBD, first of all, they produce an isolate, which is the pure form, and then they add terpenes to that pure form to give you to help with the issues such as the joints, aches and pains, with the sleeping, with the anxiety, and also especially for women of a certain age, can help with night sweats and hot flushes. If you'd like a CBD oil, contact me and I can pop them in the post for you, no problem. With CBD oil, it is free P&P, or I can do a doorstep delivery as well if you're local. I feel amazing. I feel clean. I feel brilliant. I feel myself. I feel confident, and I can do my jeans up, and I don't have to breathe in when I do my shoelaces up. It's a simple things like that. It's amazing how it makes people feel